everything and stuff. Hold on.
Alright, go.
This is the 75% shot for Nick DiCurcio. Take one.
3, 2, 1, action.
The 75% shot is a way for us to get the best possible shots without other things interfering in the background. What we did was we measured the inner 12% to get the inner 75% over the lens. That way we can get the best shots possible.
Cut.
So yeah, I mean, what are we gonna do later? Is it bistro? Sounds good. That's perfect. No, I like bistro. I think it's tonight.
What is that in the water?
That should be good.
What the fuck is that in the water?
I need more cell phone lights over here. I need more cell phone lights over the middle. I need more cell phone lights on the right. Light it up, 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 light it up. I need to know where's A Boogie's #1 fan at right now in this building.
This is shot 23, take 1 for myself, Nick.
3, 2, 1, action.
My name is Nick DiCurcio. I'm currently a senior sport management major at SUNY Cortland. I'm originally from Chester, New York, which is a really small town in Orange County. It's about 2.5 hours south of here. And being from a small town and Cortland not being an overly big D3 school, I thought me transitioning from my smaller high school to a school like SUNY Cortland would make for a nice, smooth transition for me from high school to college. And I could say that since then I am very happy with my choice. I'm a senior now. I've thoroughly enjoyed all my classes here. I'm a sport management major as with a concentration in sport media, technology, and information. And with that, this class specifically has helped me finish up that concentration along with getting a better background in how to properly record videos. And that's it.
Nice.
이게 잘 나온 거면